my goodness. Why is so tall? I miss small. The name this game small. I gonna show it, guys. Oh my goodness, it's so small. It's like rain, but it's super small. I feel like I'm happy. What is wait? I can fit. I don't fit. It's too small. Like a baby. What a Martin? This is glitch. Oh, okay. I know it now. I just use shortcut. This is hard. This is too small. Bro, this is wow. Okay, I will show it to you guys. Here, that's cool kids. Here, that's the game name. Too small. I know. I know. I know what to do. We have shortcut here. I quit. I will use shortcut. Bro, here. I will finish this. Where's the ladder? I just... I'm too big. I can't fit that thing. I will use shortcut. Yes. How do I get that top? How that girl get to the top? I will fail. No, I will gonna fall. Oh. See? See? There's nothing here. I want to... bro. It's so super small. I can drop easily. Ay! Ay! Do not kill me! Okay. Please. Okay, bye-bye. I will see you next. Bye-bye.